Meet Joe. Joe owns a company. It's critical that money keep coming into the business and that his suppliers and employees get paid. And Joe needs to know his numbers so that he can make good business decisions. But Joe doesn't have time for all of this complex and tedious accounting work, and he can't afford to hire an accountant to do it. Joe has an office manager, Sarah. Sarah's not an accountant, but Sarah is bright and competent. Joe wishes Sarah could do this work. Introducing the cloud-based app that helps small businesses do their own bookkeeping. Joe subscribes to the app, which is preloaded with tasks in the form of checklists that are scheduled at the proper frequency for his business and linked to procedure guides. Sarah logs in and follows the step-by-step instructions for how to do everything. And just like that, Joe has an in-house accounting department, and he can get back to doing what he does best, running his company. Redmond Accounting Inc. is an outsourced accounting department for small businesses, the bookkeeper, the controller, the CFO. Our particular expertise is cloud accounting. Think web-based, paperless, automated, mobile, and electronic payments. We've transitioned hundreds of businesses to contemporary infrastructures and workflows, and now we're helping businesses do it themselves.